got here? You supposed to be a superhero or something?
Well, I am empowered.
As long as you're not one of them blue-haired raging feminists.
I wasn't the raging part today until you just said that. Somebody catch my baby. Gotcha.
Okay, so you are the intolerable woke millennial type.
And you're one of those unwashed, ignorant rednecks.
You wanna know what I am? I'm the type of person who actually gets things done in this country.
Like what? Re-legalizing cigarettes in restaurants?
Hey, that is a cause I care about.